Hello, it's Sophia, and today we're taking a lovely beach walk. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. The vibrant blue ocean, the calming sound of the waves, and the warm sand make this beach walk an unforgettable experience. As we stroll, we can see people creating cherished memories together. Let's take a moment to appreciate the fascinating aspects of beaches, such as the varying landscapes and the importance of preservation. Thanks for walking with me, and please remember to subscribe and like this video.